crop cutting service. Right, welcome back to the Anarchy Garage, guys, and today we are at the London Motor Circuit with the Drift Limit guys.
Yeah, so if you don't know about drift limits, guys, you can come down here and these guys will take you around in a supercar, in a GTR, in an Atom, in a race-bred Ferrari, whatever you want to get out in. So they invite us down to bring with us the go-kart and the lawnmower.
Yeah, but we're going to be racing. Brave Karen here, sorry, Orlando here. He's going to be going around in one of the Ferraris, so tell us a little bit about the Ferrari.
So it's a Ferrari 458 Challenge race car, completely stripped out, no TC or ABS, which makes it quite exciting in these kind of weather conditions. But it's got from 500 to 600 brake horsepower, it's semi-automatic, it's really fun, sounds amazing, but terrifying at the same time. So.
And yeah, you haven't noticed, guys, by the overlay, it is raining, and it is heavy, damp, wet rain. So although Orlando, Karen, it's going to be really dry and cosy in his race car, we're going to be out here on the lawnmower, which is why Shep stresses as a Power Ranger, and I'm also going to be on the go-kart with a very wet bottom, and Richard's going to be piloting the lawnmower as well to try and keep up with their supercars.
I'm on the lawnmower, this guy's on the Ferrari. What do you think the chances are today?
Well, I don't know how fast this thing will go, so...
I'm on slicks, you're on wet. Yeah. So, yeah.
I've got a race car, you've got a lawnmower.
Yeah. So, yeah, the best man wins.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, that was hard work.
What do you think then?
Yeah, he's quicker. It's very wet out there, really, really wet. So yeah, it's getting quicker and quicker each time. So Shep on it next.
Did you lose your throttle?
Hey?
Did you lose your throttle?
Yeah, just couldn't keep up.
What do you reckon, Orlando?
From where I'm sat, that looks terrifying. I'm scared just following it.
I nearly flipped it on the bottom corner.
How close was it then, boys?
You told me you were behind me and then, yeah. I think. Yeah? Yeah.
Right, so I've been nominated to go up against the Ferrari 458 next. I don't know why, but seeing that Ferrari go round, I'm definitely not going to be quicker, but let's see how close I can get to the back end. Is fast, man, like fast. I am literally zero grip out there in the wet. I feel like we need to get him on slicks.
What a machine. This man can drive. Somebody have to come up with a race sponsorship, man. Yeah, that was wild, man. Honestly, I just say it was on the limit.
It's class to sit behind him and just watch
Yeah.
it. We're pretty happy in here,
Yeah.
we're trying. It's
Yeah.
just all over.
On the limit, man.
Yeah, there's nothing left in this. It's just all grip, I think it's down to at this point, isn't it? Yeah, like fair play, dude. You are actually wheeling that.
Right, so race number 2, Dean's going to go out, and me and Orlando are going to be jumping in the area Latin. But first, I get to see what he's like bedding tyres in, so let's have a go.
to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I'm gonna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop. I'm taking 6 shots to the face.
Take one for our team. But yeah, get it warm. Let's see what he can do.
Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, bottles, hate comments will never make you feel enough. But we're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. You're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get upset. So I'm taking 6 shots to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get upset. I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
So here comes Slater. He's on the help for Dean now because Dean is struggling. Maximum attack. Coming, looked in the rearview mirror and was like, wait a minute, and then I just saw all the crops going out. I'm like, oh no, he's missed us.
See what we didn't tell you, this is our restricted area, this is our safe zone.
Hey! Praise the Lord!
normally the road reverse, normally that.
Just gonna clean off the shrubs. So the Anarchy Garage, we now offer a crop cutting service. Just speak to Slayer. As you can see, Orlando's got way too much faith in Rich, because he only knows him as Rich, but we know him as Redneck Rich, and you all know Orlando.
I know, yeah, he gets all serious.
You see him doing this? It's like he's trying to...
Not quite a Ford race car,
It's not redneck enough for you, Dad.
This will be the first Tesla I've ever driven. Because I'm anti-electric, so let's see.
Don't go around a corner, don't stop very well. It does accelerate quite well.
Okay, you're coming with me anyway.
Yeah. I mean, if it's actually not on slicks, it's accelerating better than that. That was brave. That was brave.
We got it.
Okay then guys, that is a wrap for our day at Drift Limits, and we are absolutely soaked through.
We've had a hell of a time though, to be fair. Everything's performed amazingly. Massive hats off to you, hooning around, and he's been on everything that we brought with us as well, as you will see.
Yeah, Karen has been absolutely amazing. Yeah, we've had a great day down here, and thank you to the girls for inviting us down as well. If you are looking at this video, contact Drift Limits. The cars they've got down here are amazing, and the fact that they actually let us and you guys at home drive them is amazing. They even let Redneck Rich out now.
He's also been in an electric car, so that shows the range of stuff these guys have got is wicked, so definitely check them out, get yourselves booked in, come and have a laugh.
Yeah, so that's it for this episode of the Anarchy Garage. See you next time.